It's really sad to see how an elderly person, a couple actually, live in this kind of situation. The son called us from another state and we did an estimate. This is an animal hoarder cleaning on top of the refrigerator. You see that black spot? This is organic matter from cats. This couple had a lot of cats. That's why even the the daughter-in-law called me and said, "This is an animal hoarder situation. Can you handle this? Do you have experience?" Yes, of course. We did so many hoarders before. So this is the reason why we record. So in our mind, we have to decide the way we are gonna clean. This is the second time that we are cleaning the refrigerator using a monofoil. The first step is using a Ecolab cleaning caddy, has an sprayer pump, and also a vacuum, touchless. So we don't touch any matter, any dirt. The machine, the spray and absorb all the dirt. And then the final step is use a monofoil D. It's a cleaner, it's a disinfectant, and beside that, it leaves a layer of protection to minimize more bacteria and improve the odor. This is Fiorella Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com.